Hello world, welcome to my channel. You remember I'm Natalia, your tour guide in Belarus, and this video is about one of the favorite places of Minsk residents, which is located close by Minsk. I wanted to ask you, have you heard about that fact that Minsk has its own sea? By the way, we are now exactly in the sea, but now it's frozen because it's winter, it's obvious, and I decided to have a walk in such a lovely countryside and check my camera, how it works in winter conditions, and to share this beauty with you.
The Minsk Sea, or Zaslavskaya Reservoir, is the second largest reservoir in Belarus, created by human hands. It is located beside Minsk and is definitely a favorite vacation spot for Minsk citizens. The area is about 30 square kilometers, but it is not very deep. Maximum depth is 8 meters. The idea of creating a vast artificial reservoir was born in the 1930s, when the river Svislach overflowed its banks and could flood up a significant part of the city, caused lots of troubles for the city's territory. At the same time, the citizens of Minsk didn't have a recreational place where they could relax by the water. The Svislach River wasn't very suitable for these purposes. The interesting fact that in the period of Stalin repressions, even the good ideas were perceived as sabotage and threat. So everyone who was involved in this project was imprisoned. The designers of the reservoir were accused in wanting to drown the city of Minsk. So the architect's plans were realized only in 1956, during the times of Khrushchev, and it was named Zaslavskaya Reservoir. Together with the protection from floods, Minsk residents received a new recreation place, which quickly became known as Minsk Sea. This place attracts fishermen both in summer and winter. Large size of Minsk Sea makes it easy to find a fishing spot. And today we can see a lot of people enjoying winter fishing, trying to catch a fish for dinner.
Здравствуйте, а вы словили что-нибудь? А что словили?
В рюкзаке.
А вы будете готовить? Ага, класс.
And of course, the construction of such an impressive water structure attracted the attention of countries beyond the ocean. There were rumors in the USA that the USSR had built a deep water reservoir near Minsk for testing nuclear submarines. Such a funny story.
Что?
Это бурдач.
О, давайте! Не-не-не. А сколько времени требуется, чтобы прорубить сегодня?
Меньше минуты.
То есть вы за 1 минуту прорубили?
Легко.
А, классно. А что вы словили, расскажите?
Сегодня ничего.
Ну вы как получаете ведь от
Конечно.
самого процесса, правильно?
Свежий воздух.
So if you are bored in Minsk and you want to see nature, which is close by the city center, you can come to this beautiful area and you can have a walk to have some snacks here on the banks of this sea, as we can say so, or just to have a nice lovely walk with your friends, or come here to meet different people, locals. Honest, all our Belarusians, they just enjoy this time that the real winter finally came to Belarus, and we are very happy. There are lots of people outside and you can see how they enjoy this day. So if you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe, stay tuned to see my new videos, and I need your thumbs up. See you soon.